Yesterday, I recall that I promised you that I was going to send you some stacks so you can begin to participate in this airdrop campaign because I believe that it's something that you all should do, especially if you are looking for a startup capital within the crypto industry. All right, so because it's free, it is absolutely free to do. Now, I discovered that the major challenge of this airdrop campaign is that people are not able to get stack um, testnet coin as fast as possible, and this is why I took this upon myself to make sure that I give stacks to the community. All right, I give stacks to the community so they can avoid missing out of this opportunity. All right, so now I told you on YouTube yesterday that I was going to distribute it to your wallet. Okay, once you leave the address on the YouTube comment section, because like I said, it is easier for me. Okay, I said on Telegram yesterday, on Telegram channel yesterday that okay, not this one. I said I'll go through the comment box to copy your addresses. That's a more convenient way to batch send stacks to everyone. Okay, so please leave your address in the comment box. Okay, if I have to open 50 private messages to send, I guess I will need a cool virtual assistant. So I'm the one that is doing this thing, so you guys should just avoid sending to DM. Okay, sending to DM is not the best way because messages get washed down when 50 new messages comes in. Okay, it will take the 51st message downward. All right, so that is a challenge. Now it's going to be difficult to start scrolling a lot of messages, baraka de Salah, a lot of congratulatory messages were coming on WhatsApp yesterday. So it's going to be hard for me to track your conversation, to track your wallet. Okay, so now let me go back to let me go to the comment section now. I have $73 worth of stacks at the moment. That is 102. Now I'm going to go to this comment section and I will divide it. Okay, I'm going to divide 100. Okay, so I'm going to keep 2.2 in my wallet just in case. All right, just in case. So um now next now I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to comment box now. Okay, and view all the comments. Like I said, all the comments. So I'm going to sort by, let me check. Let me click on filter newest. Okay, sort by newest. 5 hours ago. Fun facts I'm going to send to you now. Congratulations, you're receiving some stacks right away. So I'll go to the wallets. I said congratulations. Yeah, because this is actually going to translate to real money for you. Okay, that's why I had to say that congratulations to you. Okay, it's definitely going to translate to real money for you. Okay, so I'm going to click on send. Okay, send now. Yes, I'm back. If you look at the screen, okay, I don't know if you have access to my screen right away. The time on my screen, you may have noticed that I had to leave for about 3 hours. Yeah, so like I got an emergency, I got some guests to attend to. So that is the challenge I'm facing right away. So I'm sorry guys, for keeping you so late now. Okay, so let's go into this right away. So let me refresh. I'm gonna copy this first. I'm gonna copy this. Now go to Euro. Okay, then address. Okay, so I will paste the address here. Memo. Let me see something like crypto niche is the memo. Crypto niche is the memo. Okay, crypto niche. Okay, because you're receiving that from the crypto niche channel, right? Right. So I'm gonna click on the amount. Where is the amount? Oh? Okay, so I'm gonna click the amount I want to send. No, I don't want to edit the fee. Okay, so send max. Why should I send max now? Only one person wants to receive everything. So that's gonna be like let me see. Let me send five. Let me send five. So this is how I expect that you spent the entire five. Okay. I'm gonna be sending five to you. Or let me refresh and see how many comments you have. One, two, three, four, five, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. Okay, let me check that again. 9. What about top comments? Let me see. 9. I don't know why the YouTube is behaving like this. I don't know. Please, you can see on your screen right now that we have 17 comments, and part of the comment has been hidden by YouTube. Okay, so for some reason I don't know why that is happening. So I only have access to all of these guys, newest, sorting by the newest. Let me try this. Doesn't have replies. What about that? Okay, showing 15 out of 15. Let me check. Maybe I have access to more. So I'm gonna be sending to this guy now. So this is our friend. So custom fee, just use a high fee. What about high fee? Man, that's crazy. This one will finish our this thing now. Let me standard. Okay, this is standard, right? So just be patient, guys. It's gonna be available in your wallet pretty soon. So I'm gonna click on send. Okay, so I'm sending to this friend right away. Okay, the next approximately 2 minutes, or let me say 5 minutes, it should have been confirmed. So I'm sending to him now. Okay, submitted. That transaction has been submitted. So to view details, I can copy this, okay, and add it. Okay, let me go back to it and reply that. So I'm gonna like your comment. I'm gonna love it. Yeah, I love it. Then here you have it. Okay, so there you have it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So the next person I'm going to be sending to is Oyinloye Shegun Glory. Okay, so let me copy that again. Now go back to Euro Wallet. I'm going to cancel this now. So I'm going to send to another person. You can see that my stacks has reduced, right? So it means that it's going through. So I'm going to send to this address also. Okay, memo as usual is going to be crypto niche. Okay, that's the memo. So how many? I'm going to send 5 to you. So I expect you to spend is out of that 5, use 1 to provide liquidity. Okay, use 1 to buy and stake. Okay, so just make sure you spend the 5 stars correctly. Okay, it says address is incorrect. How come? What's happening? It says tax right. Excuse me. How come your address is not correct? But I've been sending to people now. Is there any space anywhere? Let me check. I didn't copy any space now. It says your address is not correct. What's happening? Man, if you're watching this video, you have to go back to this, and make sure that your address is correct. Let me copy it. Let me copy it again. I copied it, right? So, and I went back to the wallet. Okay, enter. It says address is incorrect for network. Really? Well, let me move on to the next person. Let's see if you are going to be able to. Okay, so let me send to the next person. How come? Okay, I guess I may need to. Wow, this doesn't look like a testnet address. Maybe, I guess. I guess. Let me check some other guys, or let me refresh. Let me refresh this page. Click on stacks. Okay, I'm going to click on stacks. You can see I'll be able to send to someone. So I don't know why I'm not able to send to you guys. Okay, yeah, that's correct. The problem is that once you see that problem next time, you have to refresh. Okay, so I'm going to say crypto niche as usual. Crypto niche, then I'll send to you. How many? 5. I don't want to make a mistake of sending 50 to someone. Okay, so I'm going to send. Okay, so let me copy the transaction ID for that. Okay, and that's our friend. I'm going to log this. I'm going to reply with transaction so they can track it on the blockchain. Okay, so let me go back to this person. Okay, then I'll come here and I'll click on send. I want to send to more person. I'm going to send 5. I want to send 5, and I'll paste the address. Okay, crypto niche. Okay, I know where the problem is coming from. So we're going to refresh that again as usual. So 5 again, paste the wallet address. What's happening, man? Select accounts. I'm supposed to be able to send to this person. What's happening? Let me go back. Let me go back again. Let me go back. Let me refresh this page. Let me click on send. Stacks. Paste. Not found. There's something is wrong. Okay. Uh, something is wrong definitely. So let me reply this. Not able. Not able to send to you. Not able to send to you. Okay. Can you create new testnet wallets? Okay. Can you create a new testnet wallet? All right. So I'm going to send to this person, John Ochep something, Ochepo something. I don't know. I'm sorry about that, please. I know your name is John. So I'm going to go here. Let me paste. Let me copy this. Paste. No, let me refresh the page. All right. So I'm going to paste this. I'm going to send 5 stacks to you. Memo is going to be crypto niche. Crypto niche is the memo. So I'm going to send it to you now. Right away. All right. So awesome. That has been sent. So let me go back, copy some. Alexandra, oh, I think you got enough testnet in your wallet already. So I know Alexandra. He has been following me all the way from the OP live stream. Okay, he has followed me on Medium, on every possible account you can think of. So he's a very loyal fan. So you have some stacks already, probably about 100 or something. So you may not need more stacks anymore. So instead, I'm going to be asking you to send stacks to me so I can distribute it to the rest of our friends. So Gozi Ojuku. Yeah, Gozi Ojuku. So let me send to Gozi. Is it Gozi or Gozi? I'm going to check that again. Sorry about that, please. Okay, so I'm going to go to Crypto Niche. Okay, Crypto Niche. And I'll send again. Okay, so that has been sent. Let me copy the transaction ID. Okay, then I'm going to reply with that ID. So I've sent to you. I've loved your comments. And I'm replying you right away. Okay, so there you have it. So I'm going to send to more person. Okay, this is net profit kind of. So I'm going to go back, send to him, send stacks to him, your address, crypto niche. All right, send. What's happening? Cannot determine decimal precision. Oh, sorry about that. I'm going to type 5. So send. So I'm going to copy the transaction hash and I'll share with you in the comment box. Love, likes, reply. You can see. Okay, who's the next person? The next person is Emmanuel Olowe. Yeah, I'm going to copy this. Also, I'm going to send some love to you. Yeah, I'm going to paste this. Crypto niche. I wish you guys a success in this campaign. So it's going to be 5. All right, confirm transaction. Okay, so I'm going to go back. Oh, man, how can I track the history, the transaction history? I wanted to copy the activities. Okay, this is the last person I sent to. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. Love, like, then reply. Okay. You don't say you need some stacks. You tell me that you paste your address. You're not following instruction. Share your testnet. I don't know. Testnet wallet address. Okay. You don't just say you need something. You drop your wallet. Yeah, drop your wallet. So I'm going to go back, send. Let me go back to send. I'm going to send more stacks, send more love to people. Crypto niche, because many people have not been so lucky to have this in their wallet. So send view address. Okay, so this is your transaction ID. So if you want, you can actually track this on the blockchain if you want. But I'm sure it's going to get to your wallet. So which other person again? I've sent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, yeah, 6. You're supposed to have more comment. I don't know what is happening. Top comments, there's no address among the top comments. I've been waiting for eternity, you know. Let me reply this. Did you drop your address? Did you drop your wallet address? Okay, please reply with your wallet. People are not that patient, your wallet address. Okay, that is why you said you've been waiting for eternity. Oh, yeah, because sometimes it takes 5 days for people to receive stacks. So you definitely going to receive it. Okay, you have to be patient. So the testnet token that you requested on the website will come. You have to be patient. I'm just doing this to help you to save time, because I know that patience is not something that people want to like. Even you may even forget about the testnet because it's taking so much time to receive stacks. So I understand what you're going through. I pretty much understand that. Okay, so is anyone that is yet to receive stacks? Anyone? Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Is anyone that contains profanity among these comments? Okay. Okay, so as far as I'm concerned, right, please, I've sent you some stacks. Okay, so if you are not able to receive stacks, kindly drop your wallet in the Telegram channel. Okay, is that going to be a better option? I don't know. If you're in Telegram channel, okay, please leave your wallet as a comment in the channel. Okay, that will be better. So leave your wallet as a comment in the channel. So I'm going to try as much as possible to look at all the comments, okay, and send some stacks to you. But if you receive before, please don't make me send stacks to you twice, because you are denying some other people from receiving what they're supposed to receive from me. So that's it, guys. This is just an evidence, a video proof that I've sent the stacks to you. That's an evidence, right? So that's it. Bye for now. Enjoy the rest of the day.